Yay!
Now I have to do my
Peekaboo.
twist. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
So you okay now?
All right, is the show still going on right now?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the name of the show?
It
Ellie and Friends?
is Ellie Oni. Ellie is.
Who else is in there with you on the TV?
Animals.
Oh, are they part of the show?
Yeah. I want to bring them out just right now. Right there, audience. And don't take any pictures yet, okay?
Oh, not yet. I've been taking video.
It's okay, you can take one right now.
Okay,
Cheese.
perfect.
Let me see. Cheese. Let me pretend. Cheese.
Cheese.
Mm-hmm.